Okay, real question. And be honest with yourself right now.
Uh-oh, this already feels dangerous.
When your alarm goes off in the morning, what is the very first thing you do?
Define first thing.
See, that pause already told us everything. Because for most people, the first thing is not stretching. It is not drinking water. It is not meditating like some peaceful monk on a mountain.
The first thing is grabbing the phone. Eyes still half closed, brain not working, scrolling through absolutely nothing important.
Exactly. And here's the funny part. We all know this is not a great habit, but we still do it every single morning like it is our job.
It basically is at this point.
So today, we are talking about morning routines, not in a boring wake up at 5 a.m. and be perfect kind of way. We are talking about the real English vocabulary you need to describe your morning, whatever it looks like, even the messy ones.
Especially the messy ones.
Welcome to Fluent Life English. I'm Amelia.
And I'm Liam. And today's episode is perfect for B1 and B2 English learners. So if you understand most of what we are saying, but sometimes feel stuck finding the right words, this episode is made for you.
We are going to teach you real vocabulary for talking about your morning routine, not textbook words, real words, the kind you actually use when someone asks, "So, what do you do in the morning?"
And before we jump in, today's comment question. Ready?
Keep it simple. One sentence only.
Tell us, are you a morning person or a night person? One sentence, go.
I will go first. I am a morning person who secretly wishes she was a night person.
That does not even make sense.
It makes perfect sense. Okay, let's go.
Section 1. The wake-up struggle is real. So let me paint a picture for you. Imagine your morning is like a phone.
Oh, I like where this is going.
When you wake up, your phone has 47 tabs open from the night before. Instagram, YouTube, 3 group chats, 1 random Wikipedia page about dolphins.
Why dolphins?
No one knows. The point is, your brain in the morning is exactly like that phone. Slow, overloaded, needs a moment to load.
And this is actually why the first 10 to 15 minutes of your morning matter so much, because that's when your brain is still booting up.
Booting up, like a computer starting.
Exactly. And in English, when we talk about waking up, we use some really specific phrases. For example, I woke up feeling groggy.
Groggy. That word is so perfect. It means you are awake, but your body and brain are still slow and heavy, like you are moving through thick soup.
Have you ever had one of those mornings where you pour orange juice into your coffee because your brain was not fully on yet?
I once put my keys in the fridge, so yes.
That is the definition of groggy right there.
And the opposite of groggy is feeling alert. Alert means your brain is awake, sharp, and ready.
Most people do not feel alert the second they open their eyes, and that is completely normal. Your body needs time. It needs what people call a transition, moving slowly from sleep to being fully awake.
Think of it like a car engine in winter. You don't just start it and drive 100 miles per hour immediately. You let it warm up first.
Your morning routine is your warm-up, and today we are going to give you the vocabulary to talk about it clearly and naturally.
Section 2. What does your morning actually look like?
Okay, so Liam, walk me through your real morning. Not your ideal morning, your actual morning.
Are we recording right now?
Very much yes.
Okay, fine. My alarm goes off at 7. I hit snooze.
Of course.
It goes off again. I hit snooze again. This happens 3 times. Then I wake up panicking because now I am late.
So your morning routine starts with 3 rounds of snooze and then mild panic. Beautiful.
It is a system. I don't recommend it, but it is a system.
Snooze is a great word, by the way. When you hit snooze on your alarm, you are telling it, give me 5 more minutes. And then 5 becomes 15, and suddenly it is 8:30.
It is a trap. A comfortable, warm, terrible trap.
My morning is a little different. I try to have what people call a structured routine. Structured means it follows a clear order every day. Same steps, same time, like a playlist that always plays in the same order.
I feel like my morning is more like shuffle mode.
Shuffle mode? That is actually a perfect way to describe a chaotic morning. Everything is random. You never know what comes next.
Monday, I had breakfast before brushing my teeth. Wednesday, I forgot breakfast completely. Friday, I just had 3 coffees and called it a morning.
3 coffees is not a morning routine, Liam. That is a survival strategy.
And yet here I am, surviving.
The point is, whether your morning is structured or shuffle mode, you can describe it in English. And that is exactly what we are practicing today.
And here is something important. A lot of English learners know words like wake up and eat breakfast, but there are so many richer, more natural phrases that make you sound fluent.
Phrases like, I ease into my morning. Ease into means you start slowly and gently. No rushing, no panic, just a soft beginning.
I do not ease into my morning. I crash into my morning.
Also a valid phrase. Okay, so here's something I want to talk about because it connects to English vocabulary and real life.
Dangerous combination.
A lot of people think having a good morning routine means doing 10 big things. Workout, meditate, journal, read, cold shower, green smoothie.
Exhausting. I am tired just listening to that.
Right? It feels like too much. And here's where I want to use an analogy. Imagine you have 10 plants in your house, and you only have one small bottle of water.
I know this one. If you try to water all 10, each plant only gets 2 drops. Nothing actually grows.
Exactly. Your morning energy is that small bottle of water. If you try to do everything, nothing gets enough.
So the smart move is pick 2 or 3 morning habits. Give them your real energy. Let them grow properly.
And in English, we call these anchor habits. An anchor is something heavy that keeps a ship from floating away. Your anchor habits keep your mornings stable and consistent.
Consistent. That word comes up a lot when we talk about routines. Consistent means you do something regularly. Not perfectly, just regularly.
Perfectly is the enemy of consistent, honestly.
I was consistent at hitting snooze for 3 years. Very consistent. Not helpful, but consistent.
That counts, I suppose.
Thank you. I'll take it.
The real moment that changed my mornings was small. I started drinking 1 glass of water before anything else. Before coffee, before my phone, just water.
And did it change your life?
It did not change my life dramatically, but it made me feel like I did something for myself before the world asked anything of me. And that feeling, that tiny win, sets the tone for the whole day.
Sets the tone. I love that phrase. It means the beginning of something decides the mood or energy of everything that comes after.
Think of it like the first song in a playlist. If the first song is calm and slow, the whole playlist feels relaxed. If the first song is loud and chaotic,
You get my morning. Okay, I want to talk about something that a lot of people argue about online, morning routines, because there are 2 very strong camps here.
oh yes, this is a good one.
Side 1, wake up early, structure your morning, control your day before it controls you, the 5 a.m. club people.
The people who post their morning smoothie at 5:47 a.m. on Instagram.
With perfect lighting.
And their argument is real, to be fair. When you wake up early, you have quiet time before the world is noisy. You can think, you can plan, you feel ahead of the day.
I respect it. I do not live it, but I respect it.
Side 2, your body has its own rhythm. Not everyone is wired to wake up early. Some people genuinely think better at night. Forcing a 5 a.m. routine when your body is a night owl can actually make you less productive.
And this is backed by science, by the way. Some people are chronotypes. Their biological clock runs later naturally. It is not laziness, it is biology.
Chronotype is a great word. It means the natural pattern of when your body wants to sleep and wake up.
My chronotype is apparently 9 a.m. to 1 a.m.
That is just being a normal human being, Liam.
So where do we land? Early bird or night owl?
I think the real answer is stop copying other people's morning routines. Start with your natural wake-up time. Build small habits around that. Then slowly, if you want, shift it earlier by 15 minutes at a time.
Not 3 hours earlier overnight. 15 minutes. Gentle. Like easing into your morning.
See, that word came back.
Everything connects on this podcast.
Okay, here is your one action for today. Just one. Very small.
Small is good. Small actually happens.
Tomorrow morning, before you touch your phone, do one thing for yourself first. Just one. Drink water, stretch for 2 minutes, sit quietly for 60 seconds. Anything.
The phone will still be there. Your notifications are not going anywhere. The world will wait 60 seconds for you.
Try it tomorrow. Then come back and tell us in the comments. What was your one thing?
We genuinely read the comments. We love seeing your answers.
Okay, time for our word tour. 8 words from today. We will explain each one, give you 2 examples, and say it slowly so you can repeat with us.
Word 1, groggy. Groggy means feeling slow, heavy, and not fully awake yet.
Example 1. I woke up feeling groggy after only 5 hours of sleep. Example 2. She was so groggy in the morning that she forgot to lock the door.
Repeat slowly. Groggy. Grog-gy. Groggy. Word 2. Alert.
Alert means fully awake, sharp, and mentally ready.
Example 1. After my morning coffee, I finally felt alert and ready to work. Example 2. He was surprisingly alert even though he woke up early.
Repeat slowly. Alert. Alert. Alert.
Word 3. Snooze.
To snooze means to delay your alarm for a few extra minutes of sleep. Example 1. I hit snooze 3 times before finally getting out of bed. Example 2. Stop snoozing and get up. You are already late.
Repeat slowly. Snooze. 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 Word 4. Structured.
Structured means organized, following a clear and regular plan or order. Example 1. She has a very structured morning with the same steps every day. Example 2. Having a structured routine helps him feel less stressed.
Repeat slowly. Structured. Struck-sured. Structured. Word 5. Ease into.
To ease into something means to start slowly and gently without rushing. Example 1. I like to ease into my morning with a quiet cup of tea. Example 2. He eased into his new job by starting with small tasks first.
Repeat slowly. Ease into. Ease into. Ease into. Word 6. Anchor habit.
An anchor habit is one small, consistent habit that keeps your routine stable. Example 1. Drinking water every morning is my anchor habit. Example 2. His anchor habit is a 5-minute walk before work.
Repeat slowly. Anchor habit. Chore. Habit. Anchor habit. And that is a wrap on today's episode of Fluent Life English.
We covered morning vocabulary, 2 sides of the morning routine debate, and your one small action for tomorrow.
If this episode helped you, like it, subscribe, and drop your answer to today's comment question. Are you a morning person or a night person?
1 sentence. We are reading every single one.
This is Liam.
And this is Amelia, reminding you that a great day does not start with a perfect morning. It starts with just one small good choice.
See you in the next one. Take care.
Bye.